else happened. And the bomb went over there, and I fell off on it. So I spent about, and then I landed in South Africa and damaged myself. Then the line pace pressed it, and I saw feet around women's feet and men's feet. Women were discussing whether or not I was ready, and the men were deciding whether I would shortly string me out. I stood to be told to keep 18,000 meters off the coast.
Were you able to tell them you were British?
I couldn't say.